Eclipse 2.0, it's a complicated day, well, let's get to it. Red Rover Astrology for September 8th. So, still a full moon energy, so the eclipse energy follows us into this morning, and though the moon will change signs midday today, the full moon energy will be well into tonight and tomorrow. The agitations, Mercury will sesqui square Chiron early in the day Pacific, which means we're like stuck in wound and grievance, and then late in the day Pacific time, the sun will sesqui square Pluto, which means we're being agitated at the level of fear and authority. So the whole day is peppered with this kind of agitation. So then what the moon is doing is just fascinating, because the moon will cross over the threshold between Pisces and Aries last first. The birth canal of the zodiac, the most sensitive crossing between two signs. Saturn is in Pisces, Neptune is still in Aries, but they're very close to each other, so the moon's going to hit them both. So at 10:43 a.m. Pacific, the Pisces moon will conjunct Saturn, kind of putting a stamp of what we're learning. The teacher says, okay, I hope you got the lesson. And then that's at 10:43 a.m. Pacific. Less than an hour later, with a tiny little void, at 11:36 a.m. Pacific, the moon moves into Aries. Much, much different energy. Very fired up. The moon will sesqui square Venus, so the latter part of the day has some emotional constrictions. There are sextiles to Uranus and Pluto, which means if you kind of step up midday, the early afternoon Pacific time, there's like productivity and movement to be of some accomplishment. So that's, that's sort of midday, and then the Pluto Sun sesqui square agitates the end of the day. So it's a complicated day. Expect like big feels from the full moon itself, and have at it.